Hello everyone, this is Charles BridgTec with another flashlight review, this time from Nitecore. Now this here is their NWL20. Now I was sent this by Nitecore directly. They wanted me to test and review this light. Comes in this box. So we have two light levels. You have 600 lumens for flood, and the spotlight is 290 lumens. Now if you need more time to read those light outputs, go ahead and pause screen. This is a complete kit, so let's get this open, see what's in. That's my first time opening this, so not too sure how the battery's going to be. It's one of those instances where hopefully it's okay. Been wanting to get this for quite a while. Here's the user manual, and of course they're all Nitecore products. Their manuals are very well detailed and multi-language, and we've already gone through the light outputs here, but there's a little bit more details here, so I'm going to post these on the screen for you now. That way you can see them. So as you can see there, spotlight can be 10 hours and the floodlight is 6 hours. So that's pretty incredible run times. Now if you need more time to read those, go ahead and pause screen. Otherwise we're going to move along. One warranty card. One USB Type-C charging cable. Now let's go ahead and get the light out here. So as you can see, it's got a stand that's built into it. There are different angles that you can do with it. This is also magnetic, so let me grab my handy knife here. It's not the best surface to show it on, but it's super strong. Got another magnet here. So it's got a battery in it, and it's the 21700 cells, so it can easily hold its own weight. Let me go ahead and put my knife away here. I like the bright yellow color. Now this is a protection piece here. We're going to go ahead and remove this. So it has a COB LED here, and the regular LED with a orange peel textured reflector there. And hold it up like that if you have to. Working on your car, around the house. It's got a good little handle here that you can make it into. I really like the stand on these. Now, I use this type of light a lot in the garage, especially when I'm working on a car. This is a must-have. There's always some place that's in the engine that you can't see, and you need a light. It's always the case. There's the model number there. This is a side switch here. Other side we have a charging port there, Type-C. again, battery level, I believe. I think there's a protection piece on the battery, so I'll remove that so we can see that in a little bit here. This is an ABS plastic here, so it's going to be really rugged for if you drop it accidentally. Very nice rugged construction. Now, my understanding that these are a proprietary COB LED as well as the LED that's down inside there. Hope up a minute. Yeah, there we go. So it's nice to see Nitecore is doing their own thing pretty much completely. And most of all, they got a 5-year warranty on their products. And this is a very nice style and design light. Alright, well, let's go ahead and get this opened. And I'll show you the battery that it comes with. Tail spring there, pretty heavy duty. And here's the protection piece here. You want to remove that. There's just a straight contact plate down inside, so you will have to use a button top cell with this light. But it comes with a nice 21700 cell, 5000 milliamp. This is a 15 amp cell, but the protection piece is probably going to lower it a little bit. Nice. So let's go ahead and see what the battery level is on this. I have not charged it yet. Alright, that should be ready to go. Let's see if we get a battery level indicator here. There it is there when you turn on the light. Turn it on. Turn it up. Alright, so now we're on the COB LED. Let's go through the UIs here. Off. Wow. It's a lot of light. Now if you turn it on and you click the side switch to go to the next level, you have to do it within 3 seconds. So we'll do it again. Look at that light output. Definitely looks brighter than 600 lumens. That is bright. So now, with the delay on the switch, remember we're going to go ahead and click it again, and you're going to keep doing this until you click to the red LED. Nice wide beam on that. That is intense. And if you do click it after it's been on a while, it's going to shut off. Just like that. So now we're going to go back and get to the LED that's red. And now we're going to click it again. And now you have a beacon. Great for emergencies. So if you use this for the vehicle, you change a tire. So like you're a tow truck driver or you drive a big rig, it's come in handy. You stick it right to the side of your truck there for better visibility. Click it one time, turns it off. So now we're going to go to the spotlight LED here. So now I'm going to show you how to turn on the spotlight here. I'm going to turn it on like normal, but this time when you turn it on, you're going to press and hold the side switch. Turn it on, press and hold, and now we can go through the light levels on the spot. It will turn off and turn on as long as you do so within a matter of about 3 seconds. So there's the light output there. Take a look at that beam. Nice combination beam on here. A lot of bleeding here. Centralized hotspot. Spill kind of just falls off. A little bit of a cutoff there. And remember, once you've had it on for a while, it's going to shut off. So it will memorize whatever light that you have it on, whether it be the flood or the throw. Kind of wish it could combine them both. I know that the runtime would be less, but if you're doing a short job or something, I think it would be pretty ideal. Turn it off again here. Now I'll turn it on. Press and hold to go through between them once the light is on. Back and forth, whichever one you want to use. Very simple and easy to operate this. And that's all there is to this. This NWL20 is pretty nice. Very nice build quality, what you come to expect from Nitecore. And most of all, they're getting into the realm of work lights, which it's been in the process of doing for a while. And plus, I think this is a nice step in the right direction for us people that work on things. And you could use this for emergencies as well. I like this. You can also hang it. Put it on the wall and hang it. If you've got a hook or something on the wall or on your hood latch, you can just hang it down. Hang it down like that. It's going to shoot the whole area below it. Got a lot of options with this. Alright, well, let's go ahead and take this outside in my garage, see how it does. We are out here in the darkness of my garage. We're going to go ahead and get started here with the Nitecore work light. There it is there. Huge, wide area of lighting. This thing is crazy. So now we're going to click it. It's going to go off. Turn it back on. Now we'll do the higher brightness. Look at that. This thing is very nice. Plus you can swap out the battery for another 21700 cell and increase the runtime. So now let's go to the spotlight there. It's got a nice little focused area there. Still got some pretty good coverage for the spill area. And we'll go to the highest output there down to the lowest. As James Brown said, it's a man's world here in the garage. And so now we'll do the red LED. Very nice if you want to stargaze, still be able to conserve your night vision. This will do great. Welcome back. Hope you enjoyed that little demonstration. Very nice performance on this light. You can see huge area with this COB LED, and this here has nice directed light wherever you need it as well, or you can use it as a flashlight in an emergency or an area light if you're working on something. Plus the red LED is great for emergencies. I think that's ideal. Magnet here is very strong. Easily stick that on a metal surface. Plus the magnet, very strong. It's not going to go anywhere easily, and should support it, especially if you're working on your car. Again, you can hang this on a hook underneath your latch, and if you do, you can kind of just hang that just like that. That angle would be good. Show the engine bay, kind of give you an idea. And also if you're changing the oil in your car, especially with the summer months coming, I do it at night, a lot cooler. The USB Type-C charging is a huge plus. I get that battery charged quicker. And with all these different modes you can do with this light, it's all inline, so it's nice, simple, and easy to operate. This UI is not difficult at all, and you don't want anything difficult here. It feels very rugged, water resistant as well. Impressive. Alright, well, I want to thank Nitecore for sending me this NWL20 to review. Now, if this is something you're interested in getting, I will leave a link down in the description box below the video where you can get this. I also have my special discount code that will help you save some money on this, just in case you're interested in getting it. Well, that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit that thanks button. Donate to my channel if you wish. Otherwise, you can please share, like, and subscribe. That way I can bring more of these from Nitecore to you in the future. Thanks for watching. Take care. Well, let's take this outside, see how it does in the wilderness.